What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to talk about what are the differences between Huawei Watch Fit and Huawei Watch GT 46mm. So let's start it. So first of all, let's talk about the design. Huawei Watch Fit is Huawei's first smartwatch with a rectangular screen. The body is made of polymer fiber and it comes with a silicone strap. The strap is non-detachable and so you cannot change it. Because of the plastic body and the silicone strap, it is very lightweight. It weighs just 21 grams without the strap. Now talking about the build quality and design of Huawei Watch GT 46mm, this is way more premium compared to Huawei Watch Fit. The body is made of metal and plastic. The strap is detachable and we got the leather, metal and the regular silicone strap available for Huawei Watch GT 46mm. Also in terms of design, Watch GT2 is available in many different variants. We got the sports version, the classic version that we got in this video, and then we got the elite version as well. Also it comes with 3D curved screen, while we got a 2.5D curved screen on Watch Fit. So in terms of build quality and design, Huawei Watch GT2 is much better compared to Huawei Watch Fit. But because of the metal used on Watch GT 46mm, it weighs more compared to Watch Fit. Without a strap, it weighs 41 grams, that is nearly twice of the weight of Watch Fit. Now talking about the screen and display quality, Watch Fit comes with a 1.64 rectangular display, while we got a 1.39-inch circular display on Watch GT2. The resolution is more on Watch GT2, and so because of the smaller screen size, the PPI is a bit more on Watch GT2 compared to Watch Fit. And as we have already talked about, Watch GT2 comes with a 3D curved screen, while Watch Fit comes with a 2.5D curved screen. So depending on your preference, whether you would like to go with a circular dial or a rectangular one, you can go with any of them. The display of both of these devices is beautiful in every aspect. Now talking about the functionality and features, Huawei Watch GT2 comes with some more sensors compared to Watch Fit, and because of that we got the barometer and compass on Watch GT 46mm, which are not available on Watch Fit here. Watch GT2 also comes with an additional function button that can be customized to quickly launch a particular application available on the device. And once again, this feature is not available on Watch Fit here. Few other additional features available on Watch GT2 are that we got a microphone and a speaker on this device. So you can use it for answering and making calls right from your smartwatch. And that's why we got the option to add our favorite contacts on Watch GT2, and there is the option to check call logs as well. While this feature is not available on Watch Fit, and you will have to use your smartphone for making and answering calls. Another major difference is in terms of the music player. Since Watch GT2 got a speaker inbuilt on this device, you can store and play music right on the device itself. While this feature is not available on Watch Fit, and you can only control the music being played on the smartphone. So if you got the Watch GT2, then you can connect it with a Bluetooth headset and listen music on the go without carrying your smartphone, while this won't be possible if you got the Watch Fit. Now talking about the workout and fitness, both of them got their own unique features. On the Watch Fit, we got the special fitness courses with animated instructions. This feature is not available on Watch GT2, but Watch GT2 got its own unique physical activity related features, for example climb, hike, trail run and triathlon, which are not available on Watch Fit. Other than these two differences, everything else is pretty much same on both of these devices. As you can see that exact same workouts are available on both Watch GT2 and Watch Fit. The only difference is that Watch Fit comes with animated training courses. On Watch GT2, we got some additional activities like triathlon, trail run, hike and climb. In terms of hardware, Watch GT2 comes with Kirin A1 chipset and Bluetooth 5.1, while the Kirin chipset is not available on Watch Fit and it comes with Bluetooth 5. So because of these, the connectivity and battery life is going to be bit better on Watch GT2. And talking about the battery life, under the normal usage, officially Watch GT2 provides 14 days of battery life and Watch Fit provides only 10 days of battery life. In terms of watch faces, both of them got beautiful, gorgeous looking watch faces, but on Watch Fit we got the option to select our own wallpaper as the watch face that is not available on Huawei Watch GT2 46mm. And now the last but the most important factor between these two smartwatches is in terms of pricing. Because of all of the additional hardware and premium build quality, the price of Watch GT2 46mm is nearly twice of Watch Fit. So if you are looking for a feature-rich but cheap smartwatch that you can use 24/7, especially for the physical activities and fitness related stuff, then Watch Fit is the better option for you. But if you want to have better hardware, premium experience, better battery life and additional features, then Watch GT2 is the better option compared to Huawei Watch Fit. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.